Hello, Sundavalirdam. Hol no alir tashiba gi ola dokcha set kima alir tashiba se zer angadang dinai. Ni o masi zer no gi ashiza. Ani asaban masi no. No gi muajang da siang no. Insider versus outsider. No gi muajang da siang no. Tamasa insiders. Taka tajiji adwa ya maya se zer. Agim zengrame. Muajang. Ano kan? Agim zengrame. Muajang. Chance agad jadi tamu outsiders nam. Outsiders ready. Agim zengrame. Muajang. Ah, unok tulung word jumpa. Hey, ready? Outsiders. Agim zengrame. Agim zengrame. Third terminal exam no. Asan o kajam yung tumerday? Agim zengrame. Nano ka zengrame muajang maji. Minute anado ta ang jongo je. Battery sa tuwer watch do. Minute anaji battery da sa nungwer ang ajungwer. Ano je non delegates tang aitze melar.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Good evening. Good evening. Are you happy to be here? Or excited? I am very excited to welcome you all to the extravaganza night on behalf of the Car Students Union on this 68 Au Kakachir Mongtang Bendang, my co-host and me are equally very delighted to welcome especially all of you who are here for especially for this event show from around Car Village.
Asan utla upula nor mabang nangage kan changardamat naruwa kinga kan mimba kinga sno anu manani tawnong nunuktang mebishiba gaje so sorry for waiting you wait for such a long time technical issues karliasa anong je nunutang tija chini da madatak sir nunuk chashingwa nunuk changardama mong ni madaliar jibo just for formality yes okay yasang opening do kudaliasa Majung liasa na? Ado uzi merdo ado. Unuk kita maliung oda nunuk adama tau nung unugi ben tila miro ka na chale ya nunuk adama unugi tashi agi iba jidang o anong je yimler. I hope all of you will have a very great time together. Anu mani ni tau nung asun idagi changar nama kenden ba nang pelada pa ma asan ba since tomorrow is the last day of the conference. I hope that each and every one of us will have a good time and blessed time.
So to carry forward with the show, we always need the presence of the Lord. So to say an invocation, I request Imbang Jamir, the Associate Pastor, Youth, Car Baptist Church, to pronounce the invocation.
Sarah Satamber, the Matiba, Kipuba, the Kamsungerm, Talang Kanungi, Sarah Satamaruba, and the Kutumer, Changara, the Mamungtiber, Netananga Sanger, Tonua Kalemi Long Chimaoba, Iba Penjumo Amunda, Netauchi, Asher, Netamium Chialitze, Asherunuka, Jaking it to Moa Sangoze, Iba Tamangchi, Nedakiwa Sarah Satamera, Kalemi Long Chimali Danyangi, Palakanu, Mutamer Queen, a collier. Parnok tagamadama Sarah Satam Daksira, Shirnuk is a Shilamakitsbalir, Naya Chumadam Shana Sarah Satamer, Asir Iba Mabangchia, Netananga Samba, Mabangchidan Sadakchan Sarah Satamera Guba, Namatin Yankujam Siditsi, Iba Kalemi Longchimbaya Tazlano Mouts, Nedam Mapia Sarah Satamaya Machuk the Sadaksini, the Sarah Satamera, Kalemi Alidan Uba, Nenam Tutu Shakajadang. Tenang saga jadang asal ne tiari misyadang Sarah Satamer saga upa na ikutan mulungar yamachidang sang. Amin.
Formed in the year 2017, Annie's OK comprises of a group of childhood friends with their common taste for classic rock. The lineup is followed by Welly as the frontman, Mua on the bass, Imsong on the guitar, and Achang on the drums. They spent most of their childhood days getting together and performing in various events until one day they decided to come together as a band and fulfill their dreams of achieving success through passion. They draw inspirations from classic rock bands such as Mr. Big, AC/DC, Skid Row, RATM, and many more. They have achieved a load of laurels and awards, starting from winning the Best Upcoming Band Award at the 10th Music Awards of Nagaland in the year 2018, nominated for the Best Rock Song category in the 10th Music Awards of Nagaland in the year 2018, nominated for the Best Rock Band category at the Radio City Freedom Awards in the year 2018, runners-up at the Nagaland University Tuchera Festival Battle of the Bands 2019, awarded with 2 individual prizes, Best Vocalist and Best Bassist. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I introduce to you and give the stage to Annie's OK. Let's welcome them with a round of cheer.
A very good evening, Akim. We are Annie's OK, and we're so privileged to be opening up this wonderful extravaganza. We are very privileged to be here. We thank the organizing committee and especially the CAR Union for allowing us to be a part of this celebration. Since we're kicking off the show, why don't we start with a countdown, right? Let's count from 4 to 1. You ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you gonna take me home tonight? Down beside the red fire line. rocking world go round. Fat bottom girls who make the rocking world go round. Give me a beat, more. You know the song, right? Baby, pressure pushing down on me, pushing down on you. No man has fought. Come on, under pressure, the birds are building down, splits the family in two, put peoples on tree. Boom, Bobby, eat it up, eat it up. That's okay, it's the terror of knowing what this world is about. Watching some good friends screaming, let me out. Make tomorrow, get me higher. Pressure on, people on streets. Hey, okay. Shipping around, take my hands to the floor. These are the things I'm telling the floor. Hey, people on streets, sing with me. People on streets. Terror of knowing what this world is about. Watching some good friends screaming, let me out. Hey, big tomorrow, get me high. Hey. Some folks follow me down the street with a big blue and I know ain't no sound but the sound of feet. She's gone ready to go. Are you ready? Hey, are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of the seat? Out of the doorways, pull it straight to the sound of the beat. Sing with me. Another one bites this, another one bites the dust. Come on again. Another one bites the dust. Hey, another one gone, another one gone, another one bites the dust. Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Are you with me? Let me hear you scream. Hey, how do you think I'm gonna get along without you when I'm gone? You took me for everything that I had and picked me up and down. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of the seat? Out of the doorways, pull that strip to the sound of the beat. Yeah. Sing with me. Another one bites the dust. Come on. Another one bites the dust. Another one down. Another one down. Another one bites the dust. Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. That's right. Such a lovely crowd tonight. This must be one of the best crowds we've ever performed so far. And I know all the bands that are gonna follow can testify to that. Can you hear a scream? As loud as you can, come on. On my count of 3. 1, 2, go! All right. Yes, let's see if you remember this. Are you feeling lucky tonight? Well, this next song, this one's for the road. strange, in times of strain, here I come, but I ain't the same. Sing it, baby. Mama. Time go by, it seems to be you could have been a better friend to me. Come on, I'm coming home. Yeah, you took me in and you drove me out. Yeah, you had me hypnotized. Yeah, lost and found and turned around by the fire in your eyes. You made me cry, you told me lies, but I can't stand to say goodbye. Come on, Mama. I could be right, I could be wrong. It hurts so bad, it's been so long. Mama, I'm coming home. Selfish love, yeah, we're both along the ride before the fall, yeah. And I'm gonna take this heart and soul, I just got to hang it on. I've seen your face 100 times. Are you with me? Every day we've been apart, and I don't care about the sunshine, yeah, 'cause I'm home. You guys are ready? Come on. Sing him some guitars. Come on. Took me and you drove me out, yeah, you had me hypnotized. Lost and found and turned around by the fire in your eyes. I've seen your face 1,000 times. Yeah, every day we've been apart, and I don't care about the sunshine, yeah. 'Cause mama, mama, I'm coming home. Let me see some lights on the air. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Well, not yet. We have still one more day to go before we go home, right? Yeah. I wish we were audacious enough to perform like this AC/DC. They've been an idol for us. You ready to dance? I want you guys to jump for this one, okay? It's Okay once again. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
How's it, guys? How's it? Thank you so much, and it's okay. Thank you for opening up the night in such a way that we, as the program goes on, we have to stand up and start dancing around. You're free to dance around. But please, tomorrow is the last day of the conference. Chair Nabangai TV itu aja. That was the first Chutumutu band that we have invited. And then we have invited another Chutumutu band that starts from L. So, not now. Asti radio. Okay, now, asunok, tsukong siya nangagi, aser kar kakarchir, tulong siyam nangagya, performance kaka aros earlier. Anong ji tang, tsirangkong nangagi, imchiners, taser galan, asunok dan, dance ka, tang penaros bawa, mabang labok sir. Tsirangkong nungol kungler! Tsirangkong nungol limale! Kui galir!
불타오르네.
Shawty, you wild in the mug.
Thank God that I'm alive.
Yeah.
용서해줄게.
Imtuners, that was such an electric performance. Moving forwards with the talent presentations from the student organizations, we shall now be enthralled by a solo performance representing the Kar Kakachir Dolongchem by Miss Dongbang Menla. It must have been love.
Hello, hello.
In the bedroom and all around, touch me now. I close my eyes and dream away. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. From the moment we touched till the time had run out. Make believe it, we're together, that I'm sheltered by your heart. But in the night time, I turn to water like a teardrop in your palm. And it's a hard winter's day, I dream away. It must have been love, but it's over now. It was all that I wanted, and I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where the water flows, it's where the wind blows.
it must really been love. Thank you so much, Miss Tongmang Manla. Now we have another solo performance by Tushi Manan, representing Umbangkong Kakachir Tolongjem. Umbang Nurlir Malay! Kui Galir!
Lou. Sometimes I lay under the moon, I think God I'm breathing, and then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it carry me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. Tell me no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, but one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, 'cause we all lose when defeat on the souls of the innocent. Blood rage bearing, keep on moving to the water, stay raging. In this maze you can lose your way. No way, it might drive you crazy, but don't let it fetch you away. Say no way, yeah. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it carry me down. So negativity surrounds, I know someday it all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. Tell me no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, but one day, one day, one day. One day this all change, our people the same. Stop with the violence, with it down with the hate. One day this all be free, and I'm proud to be under the same song, singing song of freedom like why yo, why yo, why yo, why yo, yeah. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. Tell me no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, but one day, Lord, one day, one day. Ooh, Thank you.
Thank you to Shimanan for such a wonderful performance. The 68 Au Kakachir Mongtang live streaming Yukpaya, Symbiosis Creation Private Limited, an internet service provider and collaboration aser. Iba service provider ya Kohima Timapur aser mogok chung yimtiba nong amanuka lir. Anong chi evening nong ashibama Mongtang boredom ajaki YouTube channel handle au kakashir Mongtang 2020 car da libaji subscribe asitsi aser ipaya nunuk matamerden dana share as nungbo kangapel na da ibaji madadak sir.
Lambang nungul limale. Hey! Ano mana ni asno gi solo ka rong senyang la longkomar nangage anga si representing Lambang Kakacher Tulongjan. Lirmale Lambang nungul. Kui galir.
Oh, check. Hello. You're broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can see the fighter, but I see it in you, so we're gonna walk it out and move mountains. We're gonna walk it out and move mountains. And I rise up, rise like the day. I rise up, I rise unafraid. I rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. And I rise up, high like the waves. I rise up, in spite of the ache. We'll rise up, and we'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you. When the silence isn't quiet and it feels like it's getting hard to breathe, and I know you feel like dying, but I promise we'll take the world to its feet and move mountains, bring it to its feet and move mountains. And I rise up, rise like the day. I rise up, I rise unafraid. I rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, all we need is hope. Without we have each other, and without we have each other, yeah, we will rise, and we'll rise. And I'll rise up, rise like the day. I'll rise up, in spite of the ache. We'll rise up 1,000 times again. And we'll rise up, high like the waves. We'll rise up, in spite of the ache. We'll rise up, and we'll do you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, when the tears come streaming down your face, 'cause you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, what could be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you. But high up above or down below, when you're too in love to let it show, but if you never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you. Tears stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace. Tears stream down your face tonight. Tears stream down your face. I promise you I will learn from my mistakes. Tears stream down your face tonight. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you. Thank you.
자, 오다. Miss Rongsan, please fix me as soon as possible. Thank you so much with such an angelic voice. Anu maneni asan crowd pura ula jangaran jaga dokter. 아스녹 라이브 스트리밍 능 르팡알담 장알담아 르팡달다가 아직 우상을 오고 누누기 근 올라가서 성고다. 어헤이 점붓공 점붓공 당 아스녹든 솔로가 representing 점붓공 we present you Mr. Imli Wapang. 점붓공 올리발레 구이갈레 아스녹이 마마즈라 주뚜 무뚜 벤가 아스녹 아다다라고 that starts with L and O and
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready to impersonate the most powerful, amazing, most powerful audience here? The song which I'm going to represent now is Shine, originally performed by Mr. Big. So you guys can sing along with me. I never really feel quite right, and I don't know why. All I know is something's wrong. Every time I look at you, you seem so alive. Tell me, how do you do it? Walk me through it. I follow in every footstep. Maybe on your own you take a cautious step. Do you want to give it up? But all I want is for you to shine down on me, shine on this light that's burning up. I say a lot of things sometimes that don't come out right, and I ache like I don't know why. I guess the reaction all I was looking for. Yeah, you look through me, you really knew me like no one was ever looking for. Maybe on your own you take a cautious step. Do you want to give it up? But all I want is for you to shine down on me, shine on this light that's burning Do you want to give it up? Not all I want is for you to shine down on me, shine on this light that's burning up. Oh, yeah. To shine, oh, 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 to shine, Thank you so much.
Music is one of the greatest gift that God has given to us. May God shine on you always, Mr. Imli Wapang. Thank you so much. Ya takamya asuno karanang akem among dangya resolution ga yang lozala there should be akem God's talent tasa kali nubu achong suka amai filmer. Nundu ya kota. Okay, now coming to the next. Kwe ta hey 잡아공룡을 리바네. Okay, now we have a very special musical piece by Waliniba Lumtor representing Tabokong Kagacher Tolongchem. 잡아공룡을 리바네. 꾸이가리에. 정orne.
Performance Renama Dadang. Here is a very important information from the office of our students conference. Like we informed today, few of the units and subunits are yet to collect the souvenir from the reception. So kindly collect the souvenirs. Langbangong Nungi Unger unit, Ungbangong Nungi Kupsa unit, Asit Kong Nungi Mopong Chiket, Changbat Kong Nungi Alongkima and Dibuya, Chapukong Nungi Satsukpa, and town units Nungi, Delhi, Shillong, Mon, Lumami, Tuli, Mangkulamba, FSC, Jubilee Memorial College, Mokokchung Law College, Nunuk Ajak Yimli Pilama, RKM reception Nungi, souvenir, Koleka Sitze, maybe share. Waluni Balam Tour, a very soul-soothing performance from you has touched my heart, and I believe the crowd too has loved it. Thank you so much. Next, we have a very special presentation from the Kar Kakachir to Longcham. We have a very special invitee here in our midst. I present to you Mr. Chu Chang.
Hello. Quand on bleu, qui chie on est sûr. Đó nó tôi chắc tôi sang ngoan quand đang ta mà ngồi.到了我那诺基亚西子吧，让俺子啊弄些，可去现在我让想可去是哪是呢？你，哈。Aku kakak sih, akim lihat iba yang, saka kaisap nong, aku kakak sih, jangan tersemung tang ni bu film ya. Melang nong ibu jangan terse, kita sengaja. Asal jangan nong ibu kita malah jangan terse, jangan terse sen kan nong je senak tu balik dah, ni angat dah je. Kau temen ni kan anak. Horlicks itu sih ya, taboy kali ya. Kore mana kah? Horlicks. Ni kana ka thao nunggu jang siti he kamu ni dang terperang ni nuk tajak ngwa ni kana ak kisi au na chiang san kajak chiang ka dang
Thank you, Abba Chuchang, for enthralling us with your performance. Nagnerarkan dasar kar ushiaki kar nungi Singapore dami presena sitze parnokia shibagi ibakanya kar nungar ushinong atenzi. Aki Singapore mabang grouping auba, aki mabang ayer asangor mim tepa nagneraba, aser aki mabang team tema tanur mesiba, tanebu palaka kumugu da siba barnokitang performance stage labokzer.
嘿，看那个贵个力呀，看那个力嘛嘞，贵个力阿扎力。
좋아, 들러오네.
Bardungajak, December ida, glass street nung basa sa usang ang asir palata pa babang lir. Yakabang Student Union no registered sir idemia agim no youngest and newest registered members tamlir.
Car Baptist Church Christian Education Ministry ajanga ke suyum car mamatet pa nukse da sir music video album ka release suku iba albumia naga nichi su rara tinzakpa mapang car sunsu napur tami shilam tulu akipa asir ipa machinong sepai tami yem rongdokser rishikang shit tulu akatsiba item utsunong achimdakar yang loba kandam lir iba video album YouTube nong Car Christian Education Ministry das type sir branga yang chinunuki item kan sir sangrutam ajak ang utsu tang iba album nongi linak mimba yimkong da asba kan ka atentsi
Asunugi ipa presentation baya tamada circlen chutu mutu dumdo aruzelir anong je renam cha atadaksner
Hello, check.
Low, low,
Check.
low, low.
Hello, check. Hello, check.
Nakalima na chisu tumpang rara tenzak tang Uzi karyam kung nong ita sitai paro broker Ita suli asushi paro kita kantan lao Tane ali mai paro mapa mama teder Uchi no tumpang rara Tiano Aramin long ren long po Parta lui ta ki kamer Nang zayam ma pita suri asu shirara Alui matan satya Tama chung ti pa ma pa Rishi kang shi de zi po Te pa ma pi de shi te Sapa asayam kung napuri parno kanza Uchi no tong pang rara Majima Chim ti
Sorry, kunta ka siya yung pagkini mo siyang amen.
Through music, many have been placed and healed also. I do hope and pray that through your songs, many lost souls will be brought back. Changrami Car Christian Education Ministry Tali Muajangma. Okay, so this is the time that we have been waiting for. Are you ready? Are you ready? So, who is coming next? Who is coming next? Okay. Asun wajak kan nuktakti? Asun wajak kan nuktakti? Yes, let's try to relax once. Yes, can mobile phone with your torch, please. Everyone, everyone. Okay, who is going to come now? Lords of. Okay. Mener aman ze nuktak nar nuktak ze. Uz yimerdam tashi miliaga oda conference nang arudam adama special gift ka agaza da circlen tongdo radaba chutu mutu ben Lords of Rock ania rogone yimlar asno conference hall nang alirdam ajak changardama paladapse. You are free to stand up, you are free to dance around, you are free to do anything you like, but conference hall yam meraksa zazla because tomorrow is the last day of IKM. Nunugi vocalist ba tenang ya madali male. Tenang siwa. Tenang siwa. Okay, guitarist ba tenang madali male. Tenang siwa. Tenang siwa. Okay, nunugi drummer ba tenang madali male. Drummer ba? Tenang madali mali. Tenang siwa. Okay. Nunugi keyboardist ba? Tenang madali mali. Tenang siwa. Aya, dah ajagi madali redam ya. Okay, nunugi bassist ba? Tenang madali mali. Tenang siwa. Kah. Okay, nunugi ano guitarist tanga ano ka liung do na? Liung male. Tenang siwa.
Attention all personnel, this is the NCD conducting the launch. Status check, verify ready, resume count, and go for launch. OTC. OTC is go. TTC. TTC is go. LPS. LPS is go. Pilot. Pilot is go. STM. STM is go. Safety console. Safety console is go. SPE. SPE is go. LRD. LRD is go. SRO. SRO is go. You have a range clear to launch.
All the second stage tanks now pressurized. 35 seconds and counting. We are still go 30 seconds and counting. Astronauts report it feels good. T-minus 25 seconds. 20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Let me see your friends, come on. like a rain, it's falling like a dance in the summer again. Rock on, that ain't nothing today. Rock on, right, 'cause I'm coming your way. Like the rainbow, like the sky. Sorry,
very much. How are you guys doing? Are you guys alive? Yes? Okay, can you please reduce the smoke up on the stage? Because, you know, I think we're suffocating, and if any of those fire brigades sees us, panilakay niyo mo to! 통화도 보는 걸 되기도 해! This is all for you.
Tell me how to live my life. You tell me if it's black or white. I'm a penny wrong and try to understand. Lies and it's a difference between boy and man. Not telling look alike, just a place like a play. Sacrifices not just anywhere. Oh, there's one thing I am on to. If you can't lie, I gotta do it. I don't want to. In my life, I'm trying to walk it down the road when it dies. Setting on the road, shows me how to fly. The only thing I pay, life's so fair.
Something like that.
I should look around you, all you want to say to me. I've been in the broken arm of rose and green. Now you're waiting for us to share the every day. I'm going crazy, I can take that step. Come on to every corner, every dead street. Looking for forgiveness, I was not too failing. Gotta do it.
the Lords of Rock, and we play rock music. Is that okay with you guys? If it's okay, I want you guys to stand. Is that okay? Can you guys do that? Yes, that's it. Putana mana. Thank you very much. You know what? It's really such an honor to be here, and thank you very much to the organizers from the bottom of our hearts. Thanks for bringing us here, and also thanks to each and every one of you for always showing us love and support. Here's a song for you. This one is called Ghost. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you the man on the right on keyboards, Uncle Kim Seo. Thank you very much. Tonight we have a couple of surprises for you. In fact, we have some gifts for you. Okay, so we're gonna do something like this, okay? Can we have the bag over? This could be our last night, by the way. Maybe we'll meet again in next 20 years, 30 years, if we're still alive. We have some LR merchandises that we've been saving up. Can you guys please come forward? Okay, please share. Okay, we have medium, small, large, extra large, and feel free. Guys, give me a hand. Come on, come on. Together. Come forward. Don't feel shy. Come on, come on, come on. Don't feel shy. Come on forward. Come forward. There you go, bro. Are you there? Son, are you there? Who is the XL? Only for XL. Who is the XL? XL, kung na siya? Doing medium na sila. Okay, we have some badge. Feel free to pick it up. This is for free. Don't lose your will, take it like that.
I don't know where I'm going, but I sure know where I've been. I give the promises and signs of yesterday. I've made up my mind. I ain't wasting no more time. Here I go again. Here I go again. A lot of my boys. Bring it on! Searching for an answer. Never seen the found what I'm looking for. I'm not to pray to give me strength to carry on. 'Cause I know what it means. Rock along, long and straight and clean. Here I go again on my own. Going down the only road I can know. And I can take you out and spot what you love.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Moore here is gonna play you a guitar solo. And he doesn't want to play. Let's hear his name. Mr. Toshima! Yes, most of us, all of us are our. Except Akam is half Sema. Always, Toshima is from Kansang. Anyone from Kangsang tonight? Let's shout, Kangsang! Kangsang Manunay. Akok and Akram, they're from Ungma village. Anyone from Ungma? Alan, our drummer, hey, Sokong Manungan Azri, I love his career. He's from Warmong. Our bassist is from Yajang. Anyone from Yajang? And I'm from a small village from Lambong called Akoya. Akoya! Anyways, here's a song for you. Can you guys sing with us? Is that okay? Yeah? Please feel free to do whatever you want.
Romeo is bleeding, but you can't see his blood. It's nothing but some feelings that this old arm kicked through. It's been rain since you left me, now I'm drowning in the flow. See, I've always been a fighter, but without you, I give up. I can sing this love song like the way it's meant to be. When I get some love that could anymore, but baby, that's just me and I. We love you. They'll be there forever. That you left behind, just memories of a different life. Some the mirrors left, some the mirrors cry. Would it mean you have to say goodbye? Will I keep doing my fingers through your hair, touch your lips, hold you near when you say your prayers? Try to understand, I made mistakes. I'm just a man. When you hold your close, when it pulls you near, when it says the words you've been needing to hear, I wish I was in, 'cause those words are mine. Say you to the end of time. Yes, sir.
This one's for you. For the broken hearts. Down to me sorry, there's something in your eyes. Don't when you hate and sorrow, please don't cry. I know how you feel inside. I've been there before. Something is changing inside you. Don't you know? Won't you? I said, love you, baby. Won't you cry tonight? Don't you cry tonight? There's a yellow ball, you, baby. Don't you cry tonight? Give me a whisper, give me a sigh, give me a kiss before you tell me goodbye. Won't you take it so hard now? Please don't take it so bad. I still been thinking of you and the times we had. Don't you cry tonight. Don't you cry tonight. Don't you cry tonight. There's a heavy road, baby. Don't you cry tonight. Please remember that I never lied. Oh, please remember how I felt inside now, honey. You got to make it right, but you'll be alright now, sugar. If you're there tomorrow, come to mind, right now, baby. Don't you
Can I share something with you? Is that okay? Yes. You know what? We call ourselves the Lords of Rock or whatever. But we just want to let you know that, you know what? There's one Lord above us, and He is the Lord of all lords. He is definitely the Lord of the Lords of Rock. Yes, and we just want to glorify His name because if it wasn't for Him, we wouldn't be here, up here tonight. And, you know, and same goes to you. It's because of God that you're here. Anyways, I just want to share an experience. You know,
we've been playing rock music for a couple of years and a couple of places in and around. And one thing that we learned from playing rock music is that, you know, we learned something. Live your life. You have just one life. You do what you love, okay? And you do for something good. Brothers and sisters, like, the message is very simple. Young people, all of us, you know, we're not growing any younger in this world, right? And the thing is, it's very sad, but we live in a time, in a place where things are so full of corruption, pollution, confusion. Oh, we don't want that, do we? No. Yes. No. Yes. No. So, my point is this, simple. You know what? In this world, what we need, and especially us from the young brothers and sisters of our community here tonight. Hey! Yeah, no! Really? The young people should be up there! Don't you? Okay, in society there's gonna be a lot of do's and don'ts. I'm not asking you to break laws and regulations, but you know what? Don't let people fool you. Don't let our leaders fool you, misguide you. It's wrong. So, point is this, very simple. Live your life, and most important thing, unity. Okay? We should be united. Every one of us, the our people from every range, from every villages, we should be one. It is time. It is time that we need good young our leaders, right? Yes. Anyways, I want you guys to stand up, okay? Can you guys please stand up? Stand up, come on. Don't feel shy, come on. And we're gonna sing a song. Don't feel shy, okay? Don't let this line scare you, because this line right here that says caution and danger is not to man danger to do it, nakamriwo mo gan. Sing with us, shall we? Mr. Rock'em James! Mama, take this back with me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting too dark to see. Say. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Yeah. In the ground, I can't shoot them anymore. That
That cold black cloud is coming down. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, 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 yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Listen, listen. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. It's Robert on the keyboards. My girlfriend. Tuko! Hey! Kujino! I came there so concert there. Oi do. Crowd ke hai goi de. Crowd ke? Oi.
Rocking around.
Who was that? Okay, can we sing this? You guys know the lyrics? Okay, I sing one, and you sing one, okay? Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Hey, 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 you say? Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Ooh. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Rockin' down, yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Beautiful. Louder. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock it down, yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
was the one same place with as a child. I'm praying for the thunder and the rain, crying to pass me by. Where do we go now? Where do we go? Where do we go now? Where do we go? Where do we go now? Where do we go? Where do we go now? Thank you. Here's a song we want to dedicate to these brothers here. Hey, come! Up in our name! I'm your one alone. 아우 시심있어도 야 단납도보다 아우 농지명 내다 군다카 민ነት 봉화가서가 군다카 집이봐도 구다 아우 시 농지민서래. This one's called Bad Boys. When Rolling in the color of moonlight, bad, bad boys, come on, baby. Getting wild in the streets, walking in the city. From Jennifer Guitars. Here's a song for you. This one's called Paradise City. Let's dance, shall we? Yes. Take me down to a paradise city where the grass is green. just nothing living on the train and now. Right here, could you trust the pain and now train again? Coming away, bringing it out of time. Till the end of the night. Rock with the drums and say yeah. Keep pushing on, pushing the pain on. Something better way to trust the pain. True like water, play, play. We want it all the time. Take it down with the bell.
Thank you very much. We love you from the bottom of our hearts. And remember, you live only once. And we love you.
어서도 과장이 정말 망하고 블라드바 컨테나 선시사 수시 블라닝 고메디 마운과가즈 아직 그지 서라방라 버스 서비스 말리자 기당에 컨텐트바 대정하게 선시자 사드발라 목줄 프라이빗 가리브르 로리어던 트래픽 컨제션 농이 컴석자 수시 트래픽 폴리스 아서 인도이 그지 아시어 이바지 앙아닥 센터 블라드바 워 블라드바 무장항 블라드바 사강 Awesome first station 9:30 no Baladaba Good night everyone